Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I just stepped out here in the parking lot real quick. Extra space storage. But I just wanted to put this guy in the air. DJI Neo 2. I got some accessories added onto it, but for the most part, everything is still stock and everything, new props or anything. I don't even know if there are any official props that are different than these right here. But anyhow, I just wanted to toss this thing up in the air and show y'all how awesome this little drone is. You know, it has a 2-axis gimbal on it. You can see there the camera trying to keep its focus on us and everything. It has this little screen right here, you know, little info screen, LCD or whatnot. This is a LiDAR sensor right here, track obstacles and all of that stuff. And it has obstacle avoidance. You see up there we got a sensor, down here we got a sensor, you know, so all around obstacle avoidance and everything. But I just wanted to show y'all how this thing can be wielded without a transmitter or anything. No type of controller or anything. You can just put this guy up in the air. It has buttons right here to make selections and go into menus and all. And you got the screen right there to tell you what you're doing. You know, you can long press this button right here, and that'll get you into changing the menus or whatnot. And then you can cycle back and forth with these two buttons here, and you can hit this button right here to OK it, and then you can hold it a little longer to get to different sub menus as well and change those. Like you got follow here, and then we have flat there selected. We can hold that button. When you hold it down the first time, it'll go from front and start cycling to the side and rear, follow, and all of that stuff. But then if you hold this button down again, it'll go to another subsection, another sub menu, and you can change from flat to high, low, and all of that stuff. You hit this orange button right here to OK it, and you also hold that orange button to take off. And the gesture controls is all I really want to show y'all right now. So we're going to get into that real quick. I already have it turned on, y'all. So we're just going to do a follow flat. Let's see. Hold down this orange button.
Front. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Just fighting the wind. And it's following me. Now I should be able to control it, make it go back a little. Check that out. I can swing it over to the side and all of that. It's fighting the wind though, but let me see. Yeah, it's fighting the wind a little. Let me see. I'm trying to bring it back down though. Let me see. Okay, we down here. There we go. So check it out. I can actually swing this thing around to where I want it to be. And it actually works pretty well. I think I can make it go back some more. Check it out. And all the while it's fighting the wind as well. So it's going to stay there. Check it out. It's trying to stay there so it can finish watching me. It'll follow me if I back up. This wind is pretty strong too, y'all. If I hold out my arm, I can make it, wait, let me bring it up a little higher. If I hold out my arm to the side, it'll come in close. It came in close. And check it out. If I hold out my hand, it'll land. It's trying to get over to me. In this wind, and it actually landed in my hand through all of this wind out here, y'all. This little drone is awesome. If any drone I would recommend that you get as a beginner, if you never flew a drone before, this will be the one, y'all. This thing has gesture controls, and you can do everything with this drone. You can fly with the transmitters and all the different transmitters that they have. I think there's a RCN3. That's the one that I have. You can attach your phone to it and control it with that transmitter with your phone as the display. You can also fly this with the RC2 controller, which has a built-in display screen and all of that. It has a crazy range, 10 kilometers. You know, that's pretty far for something small like this. And but you got to keep in mind the battery life. You only get about 10 minutes of flight or whatnot with this guy. They advertise more, but I think you're only going to get about 9 to 10 minutes of flight, so be aware of that. But also, you can fly this FPV if you have the goggles, the DJI goggles, digital FPV. You can fly this guy with that, manual mode. I mean, it has everything. It's the little drone that can do it all. The DJI Neo 2, y'all. Thanks for watching.